Hi, I'm Corey from ID Parts, and in this video I'll be replacing the cabin filters on this 2015 Mercedes ML. This is the 166 platform ML, so some 166 platforms were called GLE starting in 2016. As long as it's the 166 platform, it will be the same procedure. On this vehicle, we actually have two cabin filters. Two sets of cabin filters, that is. There's three total filters. So we'll be replacing both sets. It's actually really easy to do on this car. So this is something you want to do yourself, save yourself a lot of money doing this job yourself rather than bring it to a shop or a dealer. Cabin filters are really kind of critical in keeping the inside of your car from smelling bad. The cabin filters will prevent a bunch of stuff from getting into the climate system, junking up the fan, but it's important you change them because all that stuff will be in the filter and it's going to collect moisture and it's going to collect a little bit of mildew, and that's what kind of makes that smell, that first smell when you turn on the AC, that smell largely comes from the cabin filters. So replace the cabin filters, say every 40,000 miles, to be sure that the inside of your car smells nice. One option you'll see on some cabin filters are paper or charcoal or allergen. These are three different stages of filtration. The paper ones are the most basic. The charcoal cabin filters actually take out some of the smells. They're activated charcoal, so if you're very sensitive to smells, you might want to grab the charcoal version. And the allergens are kind of a new, last couple of years, step up. It's going to take out more pollen. It's going to take out, you know, different, basically smaller particles, which could even include viruses, frankly. So those are kind of the three stages. This car, as I said, has two sets of cabin filters. It has a first layer paper, and then it has another layer, which is the charcoal layer. So it filters out the big particles, and then it filters out the smells later. Let's get started. All right, so here are the two sets of filters that I mentioned earlier, both high quality. One is from Mon, the other is from Micron Air. The Mon filter, in this case, the C25002, this is going to be the exterior paper cabin filter. See, there's not much to this. It's mainly going to filter out the larger pieces. The Micron Air filter is actually this two-piece charcoal filter. It's got two halves, and you can see it's dark because it's got the activated charcoal built into the filtration media, or between the layers of the media, and that's going to filter out all those smells. Now, the cabin filters are actually located up in that corner right there. First thing we'll need to do is remove the large weather and noise stripping. Slides right off. This plastic piece can pop up in the front and then pull forward, gets that out of the way. Now you have an air scoop right here. There are three metal clips that hold it in. That's out of the way. Then here, you can already see, here is the paper filter that we need to take out. There's no clips, it's just kind of wedged in place. It does have a little tab here, so you want to get the filter and kind of bring it around the tabs. Look at that. It's dirty. Toss that out. Now, the cabin filters, or the charcoal cabin filters, are located inside. There's one. Here's two. All right, so we have the two new air filters here. And you'll notice that, well, on the old one, we had a little hole on the side. And the new one, we've got a little bit of a V. There are, on the inside here, there are two fingers that are gonna hold the cabin filter down. So you wanna be sure that you get these slots lined up with those fingers. There will be an arrow for airflow. So be sure the airflow arrow points in the direction the airflow is gonna be going. In this case, the air comes in and then goes down. So we're gonna keep the arrows pointed down. It's a pretty tight fit, so you just want to be sure that both filters are fully flush in the hole. We'll take our new paper filter. Same thing, it's got airflow arrows, which we're going to follow. Be sure that this is off in the right place here. There we go. Now we'll just pop on the air duct and the other pieces, and then we'll be good to go. Thanks for watching this video. All these filters are available on IDParts.com. I will include links to the filters below. Thanks as always for watching. Subscribe to the channel to get new videos, announcements as I make them. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.